Hello, I'm Katie Jerram-Hunnable. I'm Renwick Sons Showing Ambassador. I'm here today to talk you through using the kit. The finishing brush, fantastic brush. Hopefully it'll win you the red rosette. It'll give you that finishing touch that no other brush can give you. I love it. A great brush, super to put your hand in, nice and tight. Again, support through your wrist, super support through your fingers. This is about me, but now we're about the horse. This feel, it feels like silk. Years ago we'd use a rag. This is an antibacterial that cleanses within 1 hour after each use, which is second to none. I love it. It feels fantastic, but not only it feels fantastic, it just gives that gloss that we need, so when our horses go in the ring, they're glossier than any other horse. Hopefully this will be a great success. I love it. Could not go to the show without this brush in the show ring, just so that I have that finishing touch.